Now, where exactly do you keep your files? Does it reside on your computer or maybe on your local drive or even a pen drive? Now, what happens to these ones when those devices that you keep your files get missing or maybe crash? And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Drive to keep most of your important files. Now, Google Drive is a cloud-based storage from Google that can allow you to keep or store files. Now, one thing is that if you have a Gmail account, you have almost like 15 gigabytes of space. So how do you access Google Drive? So when you search for Google Drive, that's the first one that can just click on it. Now, if you have not signed in, then it will ask you to sign in. So here I've already signed in onto my Google Drive with my Google account. So how do you upload your file? So if you can check my Google Drive, you can see there are some files that I've kept here. Most of the times it might be important files of yours, like document that you really need. And one thing about Google Drive is that you can access your information from anywhere that you are, so long as you have a computer. They have a mobile app which you can download from Play Store or your App Store. So in order for you to upload, you go to the top here, you see new. Now when you tap on the new, we have new folder. It means that if you have a folder on your computer, you can upload all the folder on your Google Drive. You can also upload a file from here. So here I want to upload a file, so let me just hit on the upload. Now when you say upload file, it will just open up your computer for you. So where exactly do you have your files? If they are on your computer desktop, you go there. If they are on document, you go there. So let me just choose this file, for example. That is CV template. That is what I want to upload on my Google Drive. Now, one thing is that you can even select more than one file by holding Control from your keyboard. So let me open these two files here. And the moment you hit on it, and you can see it down here is being uploaded. Within some few time, it will just upload it onto your Google Drive, and then you can access it from anywhere. Now my files are ready on my Google Drive, so I can just refresh it. So that is the file, this one, and then this one. So these files are on my Google Drive, and I can access it from anywhere, either on the mobile app or maybe I log on from any computer. Now if I want to download this file, you can download it and then use it anywhere that you want to use. So if you want to download it, you just have to hover the mouse over it, and then you will see the download. So when you hit on this one, you can download. You can also share this file. Maybe you want to add a user to it, you can share this file also. So that is how you can use Google Drive. You can even search any file that you are looking for. So from here, you just type a keyword of the file that you want, and now here enables you to change the view of your Google Drive. So that maybe you want to view it in a grid layout, you can view it, or can go by the list layout. So feel free and then start uploading all your content on Google Drive, so that anytime that you are looking for them, you just go straight to your Google Drive. Please don't forget to share this video to help others to know how they can also upload their data on Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.